Well, hi everybody, it's Doug. Today is apparently Quick Pick Thursday, so I brought out the old ML570. And there's your bidding. Let's get it into the vise and see how quickly we can get you guys out of here. Alrighty. Starting from the front. Nothing up there. 3 moved. 4 moved. Nothing yet on 5. A little more, we got some core movement when I touched 1. 2 gave me a nice click and lots of counter rotation, or lots of false set, then counter rotation if I fight it. 3 just clicked. There's 5, and we're out. There we go. Thanks everybody for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.